This is the brown list. Number 1, fruit. I had a bowl of fruit for dessert. Number 2 is smooth. I rubbed my hand across the smooth fabric. Number 3 is dude. That dude sure is a cool guy. Number 4 is mood. I was in a great mood because the weather was good and we were able to have a long recess outside. Number 5 is trust. I trust that you will finish your homework tonight. Number 6 is prune. I ate a delicious prune for dessert. Number 7 is cube. Dice are made out of a shape called a cube. Number 8 is crust. The crust on the pie was flaky and delicious. Number 9 is suit. The knight wore a suit made of armor. Number 10 is skunk. A skunk got under our porch and then sprayed it. Number 11 is bump. I got a bump on my head when I bumped into the wall. Bump. Number 12 is build. I can build a house using Legos. Number 13 is spoon. I used a spoon to eat the pudding. Number 14 is food. I ate so much food that my stomach began to hurt. Number 15 is bloom. When the flowers begin to bloom, some people suffer from allergies. Number 16 is built. The addition was built on home school during the spring of 2018. Number 18 is juice. I will have a glass of orange juice with my breakfast. Number 19 is moon. There was a full moon in the sky. Number 20 is tooth. When you lose your tooth, you can see Miss G and she'll give you a plastic necklace.